Well, it's always a great thing to be back in London with a great premiere. I mean, the connection of Britain and Pinewood with the Indiana Jones films was there right from the beginning. So I have been here before, and you never know, might be back again. Well, each one is different, but the joy of working with a young actor clearly destined to be a great star was one of the joys. And of course a young director in the beginning who changed filmmaking when he did Raiders of the Lost Ark. We changed filmmaking. This last one, we got a great script, great director, superb cast, and of course a very, very great star, reprising his greatest role in many ways. Oh, the madness of being in the desert in the first one, I suppose. It was great fun. But then working with Connery and Harrison in the third, I only have a cameo in this, but more fool them. But it was great to come back. I'm wholly in love with Karen Allen anyway, but it was just lovely to see this new and possible final iteration of the Indiana Jones thing, because it's what every young boy wants to be. I probably have met somewhere between 300 or 500 professional museum curators or archaeologists, all of whom said, you know what made me want to be an archaeologist? Watching Indiana Jones. Of course, we don't do it that way these more. Harrison and I belong to the loot and scoot school of archaeology, I'm afraid.